Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Play Store server error. So first of all, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, select apps. In here, you're going to have to search for Play Store or simply services. And you will see Google Play Store. So go ahead, open it. And likewise, select this set as default. Make sure this link is unchecked and also clear the defaults if you have any. Now at this section, go for storage. Clear the cache, come back onto App Info page, also select Force Stop, select OK. And once done, here type in Google Services. You will see this Google Play Services, open it. Here select Storage again, clear the cache, and lastly, Force Stop it. Now go ahead, restart your device, launch a Play Store, and it will fix your problem. Thank you all for watching guys. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.